Enjoy the view of this 2021 Nissan Rogue Sports. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.